Introducing the IB1612 Single Beam Intelligent Cutting Machine, designed for sample development and small batch footwear production. It is widely used in footwear factories for cutting PU leather, EVA, microfiber, fabric, and other flexible materials. The machine supports multi-layer PU leather cutting up to 4 layers in one operation. With a cutting speed of 500 pieces per hour, it can reach up to 16,000 pieces per day, regardless of cutting size. Equipped with IBON 3rd generation smart control system and Mitsubishi Servo motors, it ensures high precision, stable performance, and long-term industrial reliability. It also features dual projection systems for visual cutting and visual material positioning, improving accuracy and reducing operator errors. This machine integrates cutting, punching, and marking in one intelligent workflow, helping factories reduce labor costs, save material, and improve production efficiency. If you are in the footwear industry, this is a smart upgrade for your production line.